Alright, so here we are in this storage container and looking to put up some shelving in here. I've already started without you. These are 96 inches tall, 96 inches wide, and 4 feet deep. And it comes with about 4 shelves, enough for 4 shelves for each unit. These right here are 72s. They're 96 high and 72 wide and 4 feet deep. So you can put various things in there. And then these also have the, I don't know if you can see me, but this slab of wood down here. These are 72s, where the 96s have 2 pieces of wood in them. And then you can see underneath they've got the strengthening bars up there. Like this one here. There's a strengthening bar. You probably can't see it with the sun glare. But up in here you can see kind of how those are put together. Now I'm putting 2 of these 96s together. So we will have this much right here, that we'll have this much walk space to get back here, and then we'll have this much shelf space. So this should be able to hold quite a bit of stuff. And since my dad died, I have a lot of stuff that I inherited from his estate, so I've got to put a lot of it in here. It's not really high-end stuff, it's just, stuff. It's, old coolers and old Boy Scout stuff, things like that. So here we've got a set of U-line. This is all U-line stuff. You can see it's the frame, is what it is. And you've got the long, these are the tall pieces that come with, each one of those comes with 4. As you can see there's 4 here. So I've got 2 of them up already, and then I've got these 2 here. And I've got my knee pad because you got old knees, and so I put a little bit of paper in between here and clamp these together, and you can see the gap in there, and that helps to facilitate those pegs that need to go in here and lock into place. So those are going to be ready to go back together, and then I'll put you on a tripod and kind of put you on like a fast forward type of deal, because if I just use the regular volume, this thing gets loud in here from banging those together. It's very loud. So we'll do that, and tell me what you think. you have to watch for right there is a bent end. You take your handy crescent wrench, put it on the end there and get it as flat as you can. I think you can get it pretty close to being back to original. Make sure it's not loose, which it could be. That. There's another one. Took a hit. I'll do this. I'm gonna get some help on that corner. I have a friend that might come over and help. But for now, this is just putting some shelves up. Maybe that'll give you some ideas of how to do a storage container or shipping container. And then I plan to put some lights up in here on those hooks. We'll see how that works. Anyway. I'm going to let you go for now. Give you a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe if you like, and thank you very much for watching. See you next time.